Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ekyz. The first time seeing me, you're welcome. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Alright, today's video is a very exciting one because is the series that I talked about earlier on my channel weeks ago. So yeah, today is beginners friendly makeup tutorial series day 1. So today is beginner status kit, how to build your makeup kit as a beginner. So I know you'll be loving this video. Stay tuned because we are going right into this video. Okay guys, so this video, please ignore every noise. All right, so I'm so excited filming this video. This is something I have always wanted to do for a long time now, but I don't know, life happens and a lot of stuff. But right now I'm so super excited to film this video. I'm so happy that you're here on day 1. So this video is going to be section by section so that we can flow along, and I want this video to be as interactive as possible. Please leave your comment down the comment section. Tell me what you've been having issues with and what you need to fix. Okay, I want to be very basic and I want you to get everything right when next you are glamming your face. Today's video is a beginner's starters kit. So I'm going to be showing you how to build your makeup kit with affordable products, so you do not need to break the bank for you to get your makeup done. All right, so first I'll be starting up with my brows, but I'm done with my brows already. I have a brow tutorial already on my channel, but for the sake of this series I am still gonna film a detailed brow tutorial using affordable products. So first of all, I use this hair woman for my brows. Okay, you just need your brow pencil and then you need your concealer. This is from LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. So I have different brow products, like this one is from Beauty Line by Didi. I've used it before right here on this channel. If you've not seen that video yet, makeup for Valentine, I'll be leaving the link down in my description box, so you go watch. You see how this pencil came out. So you can see that this came with a spoolie. So, and the pencil is right here. It's a roll-up pencil that you can just roll up and use, but I want you to know that you can use affordable products to achieve whatever look that you want to achieve. This is sold for 100 naira. It's less than $1. You can get this in your local store. This is an angle brush from Younger Beauty. You need an angle brush like this to get your brows done. Highlight the underneath your brows and then the top of your brows. So if you cannot get a spoolie, use your toothbrush and just brush your brows off and you are good. So I'll say for the brows, you just need 2 products. You need your concealer and then you need your brow pencil. Next we are going to the skin. Okay guys, for the skin I'll go in with Pond's primer. You need a primer. This is oil controlling primer and prevent your makeup from creasing or breaking. So as a beginner, I really recommend that you get a Pond's primer. Next is foundation. I have Milani. I'm going to be using this foundation in number 11 amber. This one is a very lightweight foundation. It's medium to full coverage. Is a 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer. I'm having issue with the pump, so I'm just gonna put that right at the back of my hand. You need a foundation brush like this to apply your product from City Color in F05, or you get something like this. This is a beauty sponge, so you always want to use a damp beauty sponge in applying your product. So you can just go in with the brush. So I stipple and blend the product into my skin I don't go into the products. I don't take too much foundation at a time. I build my foundation If I go in with the first layer, if it's not enough, I go in with another one. I'll be blending out this side using my beauty sponge. I pick my beauty sponge, I push in the product and blend. But don't swipe your product so that you will not have patches. So as you're blending, try to bring your foundation down to your neck, because you do not want a demarcation that where you finish your makeup, your face will be looking different from your neck. I'll be highlighting underneath my eyes, my forehead, chin with the concealer from Ekyz in the shade Fawn. This is sold for $5 depending on where you get the product. So this beauty sponge is multi-purpose for me. So I turn over to this side that I did not use and blend out my highlights. I use a shade that is just one tone lighter than my skin tone. Be able to walk around it. As you are growing in the makeup, you'll be able to use much more lighter tone depending on the kind of look that you're trying to create. I always love to blend my under eyes last. I just, you know, I don't know why I forgot that. So as a beginner, this also is a must-have. You do not want your makeup to start dropping by the time you go out, so you need a setting powder. So I'll be using this setting powder from Hairspun. I'm just taking this and then I tap off excess products and I place right underneath my eyes. Another must-have in your makeup kit is the face powder. This is from Milani. You need a powder shade, the one that is your skin tone, to set the whole of your face and keep it in place just like you set your highlighted areas. And then the brush I'm using is from City Color in FO2. So you need a fluffy brush like this for powder so it can pack your products. I just stipple and then always take off excess product. Work with little product at a time so you will not get your face cakey. So I'll be warming up my face. Triple C with loose powder. I'm not contouring, so I'm just warming up my face just to give some dimension to my face. So I'm blending in the concealer on my lid, so I'm not going to be using any eyeshadow for my eyes today. So I'm setting with the same Hairspun that I use in setting underneath my eyes, just to keep the concealer in place and prevent it from creasing. Lining with the Carrot gel liner in black ink. As a beginner, I'll advise you just line your eyes like up straight, no wing. So when you become better, you can just do. I line my waterline with the same Carrot gel liner. I'll be picking my lash with Mega Impact mascara from Ekyz Beauty. For a beginner, I don't really think that lash is necessary. You can just pick your natural lash with the mascara, and this is a baked blush that have some shimmer inside. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so I'm going to use this as my highlights and also my blush. So for beginners, I don't really feel that you applying an highlight is really necessary, because highlight and blush, because sometimes a lot of people tend to apply too much. I feel you should start with something like this that will help you to have control over the product. So I just take a little of that on my nose and then my temples. Next is lip. I feel every beginner should have nude lippies like this. This one is in Ooh La La. It's a velvety matte finish lipstick and It's for girly girl. I also feel that as a beginner, you should have a red lippy. You know, sometimes you feel like, you know, toning things up with the lips. You can just go with this red lips. So and this one is called Beat Me. So it's still from Ekyz. So I'll be using the Snuggle from Ekyz. So I'll be applying that right on my lips. So I feel this is a nude lipstick that every beginner should have in their makeup kit. As a beginner, what you also need in your makeup kit is a setting spray, just like this. You can get any setting spray depending on your skin type. If you're on the oily side, I would prefer that you get a mattifying setting spray, but if you're on the dry side, you can get a setting mist that would just, you know, keep your skin hydrated. So I'm gonna spray my face. So the setting spray goes for about $5 to $6 depending on where you get your product. So yeah, that is it for this video. I'm so excited about this look. The lips is so beautiful. I can't believe I've not done something like this on my lips. I'm so loving it. So if you're a beginner and you are able to come up with something like this, trust me, you are good. That is it for this day one makeup tutorial series. Thank you so much for watching. If you got any value out of this video, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, leave a comment down, and also don't forget to subscribe right here and ring the bell beside it so you don't miss new videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and stay beautiful till I come your way next time. Bye guys.